China pepper chef special. Ooh, this looks good. Yeah, again, this is at Rancho Cucamonga. It's by the corner of Baldi and Archibald Avenue. Yeah. Nice. Oof. It looks really good. There's more choices here. There's Little Caesars. A Korean restaurant. Across the street, see if we can show what's across the street. Just make sure we can cross safely here. Yeah, there doesn't seem a lot of food options there. The Subway, at least, but I'd recommend this section here on Baldi Avenue, where you have Nothing and Ranch Market, Dollar Tree. Oh, and it's they have a hot food section, lots of good Asian, Chinese food, lots of good pastry. There's of course, Asian grocery. There's a meat section there. Can't go wrong. Sorry, I meant Baseline Avenue.